Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today's city is witnessing a cloudy weather, so we will try to talk to some weather expert about the present weather condition as well as to whether there is any alert from IMD or not. So we are having with us Dr. P.K. Kingra, head of the meteorology department here at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. So, ma'am, what is the present weather condition, and is there any alert from IMD or not?
Presently, monsoon system is active in the region from the last few days, so we are recording rainfall at different locations. And if we see the temperature conditions, daytime temperature is near normal, and nighttime temperature is above normal. So yesterday's daytime temperature was 34.6 degrees centigrade, which was zero point 0.6 degrees centigrade above normal. And today's minimum temperature is 29 degrees centigrade, which is above normal by 3 degrees centigrade. And if we see the weather conditions for the coming days, there are chances of rainfall at many locations in the state during coming days, and especially today and tomorrow on 21st and 22nd July there can be heavy rainfall also at a few places. And for this, IMD has given yellow alert for northeastern districts for today and tomorrow, and for some central districts for today.
So, Ludhiana will witness rainfall today as well as tomorrow, or it is just for one day there is alert for Ludhiana?
Alert is for today for one day, but rainfall can be witnessed during coming 3 to 4 days at many locations in the state.
How you see what kind of effect monsoon is having in Ludhiana? What kind of what is the record of rainfall in Ludhiana as comparatively to entire state?
If we see the normal rainfall of Ludhiana, for the month of June, it's 82.8 millimeter, and this year Ludhiana witnessed 128.2 millimeter of rainfall in the month of June, which was above normal. And during the month of July, the normal rain is 220.4 millimeter, and till date we have received 95.2 millimeter of rainfall. But during coming days there are chances of rainfall, so we hope that we will receive near normal rain during the month of July also.
So, ma'am, what kind of advice you want to give to the farmers that would considering the present weather condition?
These days, kharif crops are growing in the field. So, especially the paddy crop, it has a heavy water requirement. So, we feel that this rain can help to fulfill the water requirements of paddy crop. But on the other hand, there are some crops which are sensitive to standing water, like maize crop. So, in those cases, farmers should arrange to drain water if there is excess water due to rain, so that there is no harm to the crop.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So she was Dr. P.K. Kingra, head of the meteorology department here at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. So she said that there is 2-day alert from IMD, yellow alert in some districts of Punjab. There is, in Ludhiana, if we talk particularly about Ludhiana, there is alert for only one day, that is July 21, while Ludhiana may witness light to moderate rainfall in other days as well. So beside this, she has advised farmers that although this rain is helpful for the paddy farmers, but for the crops like maize which are rain sensitive, the farmers should make a proper arrangement to drain out the excessive waters in the field. You're watching The Sovera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.